Is it worth it if an investing service is increasing their price but also increasing their features? Or should they break that out and have everything be a la carte and you just opt into the services that you want? Let's talk about what's happening with Acorns, because we just got this email today that's talking about big changes to their overall pricing structure and some hints about what's coming up in the future. The hints, I think, are positive things, but nobody wants to pay more money. So we're all getting roped into this. Let's see if it's worth it. The first thing we see is that in less than 2 months, our pricing is going to go up by a bunch. So on May 1st, we're going to go from $9 per month for Acorns Gold all the way up to $12 per month. A 33% increase is absolutely huge. Granted, it's only $3, but I still think it's a massive percentage in terms of what your fees can go up. So what are we getting for this? Let's see if Acorns can justify the fact that it's getting significantly more expensive. The first thing they're rolling out in the near future is complimentary tax filing services. I feel like this is a bit of a catch-22 for me, because for one thing, you can do your taxes on your own if your financial situation is simple enough. I did this when we were married for the first few years because it was just simple enough that all I had to do was fill in a few boxes. Did you put money in a retirement account? Yes or no? Did you get some income? Yes or no? Do you want to do the standard deduction or itemize? Nowadays, it's a pretty no-brainer for almost all of us to do a standard deduction. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. There's also things like TurboTax Free Edition, and allegedly at least 37% of filers qualify. My guess is for most people, you're not going to use this because you've already got something that you can do yourself, or you're going to use some other service like TurboTax or some other way that you're going to do it for free. But my big question with this is it a full-fledged tax service? Or is it just another version of something for free? The cynic in me says it's probably going to be something pretty basic. It's not going to be like a team of accountants to sort through your business taxes and figure things out for you and find you a bunch of money to save on taxes. Maybe I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. But the more promising thing that's in the next coming months, which I don't know what that means, but hopefully this year, it means they're launching Acorns Money Manager, a new feature that will holistically and seamlessly manage your money across your investing, saving, and spending activities. What exactly does that mean? I really like the sound of it. I mean, I'm personally someone who hates budgeting. I hate having to figure out exactly where our money's coming from, this card and that card, and what do we spend on this, and why did that budget line item go up so much this month? Oh, it was that justifiable reason. We just forgot about it. And so if this Acorns Money Manager could handle all my spending activities for me, that would be amazing. Maybe you hate investing or figure out how much money to save. If you can just put in there some parameters of like life goals or milestones you want to hit or things you want to do with your money, and it can automatically kind of spread it all out for you, that would be really cool. Create the channels we need to accomplish the goals we want. It's hands off. I would love that. So I'm absolutely salivating to figure out what all the features of this are. I really don't want to be disappointed by it. So I hope it's an extremely powerful and well thought out tool. And I hope that the rollout of this is much better than Acorns did with their most recent debit card, because that's like an absolute train wreck of a rollout when it comes to software. The way that you have to open that if you're an existing Acorns debit card holder is like cancel the old account, wait for that to settle, transfer money around, open the new one, wait for it to open, put the money in there. It is not streamlined at all. It's not well thought out at all. And so this needs to be a much different situation. It needs to be seamless, well done, well executed. Then of course they remind us of the features of Acorns Gold that we already know and love. Okay, it's good. And then a very interesting thing here. In the midst of the doom and gloom of increased prices, there's actually a way for us to save a lot of money with Acorns. First off, they say that some of us can be experiencing economic hardship and $3 per month can suck. So they give us two options. Number one, we can keep paying $9 per month for Acorns, but we don't get access to these new features. I love this option. We've opted into the old price and the old features. If the new one doesn't seem that interesting to you, then you can click the link that's in the email that you got sent. You can opt out of it. You can stay at $9 per month. Brilliant. And I'm even more excited about option number 2, which is instead of paying every month, $12 per month, you can get into an annual billing plan that's only $99 per year. So it's saving you $45 if you can just commit to having the account for an annual period instead of a month-to-month period. And for somebody like me who plans to keep having Acorns in my life for a long time, I absolutely love this. I can commit to save a huge amount of money. Let's do it. So I'm going to enroll in it now. Let's click on it, see what it looks like. Switch to $99 a year for Acorns Gold? Hell yes. And substantially, this includes all of those future rollouts too. We're not opting out of anything here. So we're paying less money than we were before because it was $9 a month for 12 months. So that was what, like $108 per year. Now it's actually less than that. And we're getting all the new features and dodging the $12 per month. So it says through October, it's going to be $9 per month. Then in November, it's going to switch to $99 per year. I assume that's for everyone. It might just be for me because maybe I started this account in October or something, but just telling you what I'm seeing here. Let me pave the road for you so you know what you're getting into if you want to make this decision for yourself. They'll remind us in October that we're going to have this change. Yes, let's switch. Save my preferences. Wow, all set. It was that easy. I didn't have to log in. There was no edits to this process. There was no like time gap. It literally took 20 seconds. That's fantastic. Okay. Well done, Acorns. So far, so good, guys. I mean, I say that as far as that enrollment process goes. Overall, to raise the price on us, I wouldn't say is so far so good. I'm not excited about that. But at least they're trying to justify it with more features. If these two things, the taxes and the money manager, are powerful enough, could totally be worth it. But at least now we have that yearly enrollment cost, which is going to save us a lot of money. So if you have to have an increase in price, this is probably the way to do it. The secret comment word is burrito. I love you. I'll see you later. Bye.